said,
so I can't go. She going farther now. Selling pounds of my coat. Running off of the Glock and blow. If you want a couple bags, I'll draw the low. I had to stand on my period. I ride with a city. If you want a couple bags, I'll draw the low. I've been cutting ties when niggas crossing. I just kept it real. I was taught to go out, fade my problems, probably made it still. Never let the fools just always talk. Point your fade by will.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another banger. As y'all see, man, we got the cars out, 300 done, and we got the motherfucking charge. As you see by the title and the thumbnail, bro. Me and the kid finna be swapping cars for the day, bro.
This your boy Quart paid for real, man. You know what I'm saying? Back. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute.
Finna be swapping
these, but this motherfucker still pushing.
We gotta swap our keys.
Hold on. We gotta go cold start first.
Hold on. Nah, what you doing? I crank up this car, bro. I got to. This my whip, gang. Nah, you do your effort, bro. You got the new whip. Hold on. Let's see how the 300 sound, though. Okay. Now it's my turn. Huh?
Don't tell them.
It's a little quiet, but you know.
Hey, look, we still bone stock, you know what I'm saying? Only thing done to that motherfucker is a wrap and some tint, you know what I'm saying? We ain't did nothing yet.
I ain't got nothing done to mine for real, y'all. But listen, man, we finna go ahead and get in these cars, and we finna get on the road. Let's do it. All right, y'all, so here we go, man. We inside the Charger, man. We inside the Charger, as y'all see, bro. I ain't drive a Charger since I had my last Scat Pack, no cap. I ain't have a Charger since I drove my last one. But listen, we in here now. So we finna see how they mud ride, bro. I gotta see if it really pushing, is it running? Cause I ain't gonna lie, but a 300, ooh, shit. You know that 300 running, no cap. That 300 is definitely running. It kinda look crazy that I'm in somebody else's car, bro. I'm not even gonna cap y'all down. Like, this jump feel weird. All right, y'all, so we basically just got out so we could take a quick little thumbnail, bro. Now that we got the thumbnail, bro, we in the cars. Now we finna get in the cars and we finna go do what we gotta do. We finna go cut up, get this car content for y'all. But look, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, bro. Listen, we grinding, we on the grind to 14K right now. Oh, he's snapping. He's snapping. I'm trying to keep up in this shit. Oh, he's snapping. Hey, nigga. Don't be going too crazy, nigga. You break, you buy. Oh, shit.
Bro, my phone storage just went full.
It did?
Yeah.
Grab mine. Fuck around, spin his car right here. He ain't even behind us, chat. I don't know where he go. Oh. That bitch, that looks so good. Damn, bro, my car sound good. This is how you really cut up. Ooh, he gotta get this shit cut open, chat. No cap, he have to get his shit cut open. This shit sounds so quiet. Bro, his car is so quiet, bro. I can't even. Bro, his car is so quiet. Let me see. Bro, his car is so quiet, bro. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can pat it. Let me see. Downshift. Okay, it got some type of snatch on it. That, bro, y'all gotta tell car to invest in a mid muffler delete, a resonator delete, or some straight pipe. Cause boy, this car is quiet than a bitch. Car real deal look like a boat on the road, man. He gotta know how to drive that bit. I'm finna drive that bit. talking about? Gotta know how to hit that motherfucker, man. I gotta get my bumper fixed quick. I'm gonna go through one of these neighborhoods, bro. I'm gonna get to their ass in the neighborhood. I'm gonna goddamn drop a kill, drop another one. I'm talking about spanking that bitch. Going through it like what? Who gonna say something? Yeah, I'm gonna come through the hood, spanking that bitch. Drop another one. Woo! Making that little 5-7 fart. Making that little pat. Making that little 5-7, make a little noise. You hear what I'm saying? What do you say? Downshift one time. Going downshift again. Okay. It's making a little noise. Okay. Man, get out there, man. Drive off on me like it's like I'm chasing my shit. It's fucked up on the side, but listen, that bitch finna get fixed. My shit fucked up on the side, but look, that bitch finna get right. Oh, come on, cut. Oh yeah, we bounce back over. Oh shit. Okay, god damn, bro, my shit is loud. I gotta get it louder though. I gotta get my shit louder, bro. Cause I get my shit louder, bro, my shit gonna be so piped up, bro, like, piped up. You gotta open this bit up. Taking off so fast, bro. Man, get your bitch ass over. That man tripping, bro. What wrong with this dumb ass nigga back there? Oh, his ass tripping. Oh. Bro, I just got caught at a fucking light, man. Damn. But car way back there with the light blinking. Y'all see that shit? I don't know if y'all can see. But he way back there with the light blinking. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, he way back there. Oh shit, y'all, it's 12 back there. We gotta go. We gotta go. Hey, nigga. Hey, 12. 12. 12. Oh shit. Damn. He flying in my shit. Hey, nigga, slow my shit down. Hold on, nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, we go, Jack. 12. Oh, shit. He's sliding. Nigga, you ain't got Brembo brakes. Stop doing that. Bro, I'm in a RT. Hey, you better wreck my shit. Hey, That nigga spanking that bitch, bro. I can't even see his ass no more. Damn. He sliding. No cap. That nigga is sliding. Hey, bro, my car looks so crazy on the road, bro. On God, bro, my car looks crazy on the road, bro. Now I see what y'all bitches be talking about. Nah. Oh, don't got Brimbos. Don't got Brimbos. Oh, shit. Hey.
Nigga was capping?
No, on God I wasn't. Bro, nigga, why you keep doing hard cuts? I ain't got Brimbos, nigga.
I tried to yank that.
I ain't got no
I tried to yank that
nigga, every time you get to an exit, you stop, nigga. I can't stop that fast in your shit.
Nah, the first one I eased that bit. I thought you saw me trying to turn around.
Hell nah, nigga. I try to slow down. This bitch get the wobbling. I'm like, oh, hell nah, nigga.
Yeah, I gotta get some new ones, bro.
No cap.
Hold on, I'm gonna let you spray that bit.
Uh-oh, found the neighborhood chat. Found the neighborhood chat. You know I gotta go terrorize. Downshift. Downshift. Okay. Yeah! Look, he back behind me. Yeah! Oh shit, what? Look at this. Nah, I'm about to spin this bitch right here. Right here, hold on. I'm about to spin this bitch right here, gang. Yes, I'm about to spin this bitch right here, nigga.
This shit tight, boy.
We had to switch cars back, bro. The lady called the police. She came outside trying to get the tag. So we had to slide up out of there, bro. No cap. We finna go back to our side of the town, man. We finna go do what we gotta do. But listen, man. Y'all new to my channel, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications, bro. We finna be bringing y'all some crazy content for the rest of the year. So y'all folks just gotta stay tuned and lock in. I'm telling y'all, this is what we doing.